In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Trello. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across your projects. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to head over to Trello's website, which is trello.com, and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily sign up by following the instructions on the website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard where all your workspaces and boards are displayed. Now navigate to Your Workspaces on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your boards are grouped by teams or projects. Select the board you want to work with by clicking on it. Each board in Trello is essentially a collection of lists, which are filled with cards, all designed to help you manage tasks and projects efficiently. Now that you've opened your desired board, it's time to find and click on an existing card that you think would make a great template. Look carefully through your lists for a card that has all the elements you require. This could be a card with detailed checklist items, attachments, labels, or custom fields that you frequently use. Once you've got the card open, in the card detail view, spot the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the card. This is your settings menu with additional options for your card. Click on it and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. Scroll through the options and click on Make Template. This action essentially transforms this card into a template that will be saved for future use. With your template created, you can now create a new card from it. Simply select the Create Card from Template option. You'll see an interface that allows you to customize the content before it's added to your board. It's this easy customization that makes templates so powerful. The ability to maintain consistency while adjusting details as needed for different tasks or projects. Next, choose the list where you want to place this new card. You can do this from the drop-down that appears, enabling you to organize your cards according to your workflow needs. Finally, once you're satisfied with the placement and any adjustments you've made, click on Create Card. Following this, your new card, based on the template, will be added to your Trello board. As a final step, close the card view or any open menus to return to your main board view so you can continue organizing or managing your projects. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to create and use templates in Trello, saving time and maintaining organization. Using templates is an integral part of efficient project management, ensuring that you spend less time setting up and more time completing tasks.